Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your Gmail account. It's pretty simple. You want to come into your Gmail and log in into your account first. And once you do that, you need to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. And from over here, you want to choose manage your Google account. Now from inside manage your Google account, at the top you can see the search Google account. Click on it and just search for delete. Once you search for delete, it'll show you delete your Google account. Click on it. Now remember, since your Gmail is linked with your Google account, your Google account is also going to be deleted along with your Gmail. So you just cannot delete Gmail. Deleting your Gmail means deleting your Google account. If you're okay with that, then come on this step. And over here, if you want to download your data before deleting it, you can click on this to do that. And make sure to read all of this. This is basically saying that if you delete your Gmail account, all of your Google accounts history will be deleted along with your, photo and other important stuff which you saved on your Google account. So if you want to recover it now, because once you delete your Google account, you won't be able to recover it. So if you're sure you don't want anything from your Google account to be recovered, then scroll all the way down and make sure you tick mark both of this and click on delete account. Once you click on delete account, your Google account will be permanently deleted and you won't be able to recover anything in the future. So that is how you guys can delete your Gmail account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Gmail related videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then, and have a nice day.